Ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous, this car. BMW M2, 25,000 miles on it, 400 horsepower, and then there's thousands and thousands of pounds of extras. The car, I mean, a stock car does it just above 4 seconds, not a 60. This one with a live pricing today is 37,872. It's an amazing car. It's one of them cars, just puts a constant smile on your face. You just giggle at yourself. And everyone's going to hate you, and I mean everyone. If you live in a nice neighbourhood, you'll start in the morning and you'll jump on, you'll get in there and you'll go to drive off, and then you'll wake everyone up. But you know what? It's the little things in life. It's amazing. Black sapphire, metallic black. You've then got loads of extras, so I'm going to try and tell you about as much as possible. All the mod cons on it, like all the upgrades, it is modified, so please, if you've got a faint-hearted or anything like that, don't contact us because it's not for you. This is for someone who would naturally go and do all this to it. So it has been enhanced properly as well. The bigger things for me is the BMW adaptive LEDs, so you can see the design feature in the headlights, just angled nicely with the daytime running lights. Headlight washers, it's an M2, so it doesn't get any more aggressive. It's got such a wide stance on that bulldog look with the big M bumpers. The word carbon fibre is going to come into this next 6 minutes over and over again, starting with the carbon fibre body kit on the front, which is the corner splitters. Everything's black. The car is fully murdered out. It's just a full-on gangster mobile. High performance M black grills on the front. You've then got the upgraded black wheels with a shadow black diamond cut on the corners, M Sport braking system, the M2 side air vents, the wide arches front and rear, which is flares completely out. And then you've got the sun protection glass, which is all the blacked out windows. You've got the high gloss black window surrounds. You've also got things like the carbon fibre on the side there that flares out again. You've got the stone chip guard. The car's doing 25,000 miles. It's in a very, very good condition. If I was to be overcritical, there has got a few stone chips. Let's just go together. You've got a few stone chips here, which you can't help because the car has that flared arch on the back. The wheels chip up, and you can see someone's trying to be ultra careful by putting carbon fibre mud flaps on, but there's still escape from underneath and flick there. And the protector protects the rear arch, but you can still get some around it. But again, it's not anywhere near enough. That is in a very good condition. If I bought this used vehicle, almost 3 years old, and I came to collect this, I would be completely satisfied. And it's original. If I had 0 stone chips there, it's not because it's been looked after. 9 out of 10 times, someone thought they can handle power, the back end's kicked out, and they've smashed this side of the panels in, and it's all been painted again. So that is original, but it's not disgusting, it's just normal. As for the interior, you've got a lovely blue stitching, full leather interior, lumbar support. The M Sport seats are super sporty anyway because they have that bucket style seating. The M embossed into the seat. You've then got, again, tons of carbon fibre. You've got carbon fibre on the centre dash, down here, on the door cards, on the handles, and then the carbon fibre steering wheel with the M Performance steering wheel, which is full Alcantara. You've then got the touchscreen media system, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB, that's all there. Carbon fibre surrounding around the gear stick and the lever. Paddle shift, Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, Eco, and then you have things like Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats. It's just comfy, sporty, ridiculous sound and insane power. As you go around here, you'll see this huge, because it's only a small car, but this huge carbon fibre boot spoiler that flicks up. You've then got the full rear diffuser, which is also carbon fibre, and that's very expensive because of the detail that goes into it. The quad tailpipes, which are clearly upgraded as well, you can just tell by the sound. LED rear lighting system, and on the 2018 67 it has that flat LEDs. All the badging done in black, reversing camera system, a very nice generous boot for the size of the vehicle, and the seats also go down 60/40, so whilst you're having fun, you can still use it as a practical car. For me, for less than £38,000, a car like this will give you so many good times, and I mean that. It is one of them cars you just get and think, wow, it's like a full-on race car really. It's a full-on go-kart on steroids. It is bonkers. You can tone it down, go on comfort and everything else. 2 keys, twin cup holders. You've got the iDrive system here, which is also a touchpad for the postcode and everything else. Dual zone climate control. All the adjustments for the steering as normal. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. You've then got this 3D effect on this instrument panel. So it's half digital and sort of, you can actually touch it with all the M badging again. And this steering wheel, it's so chunky and sporty, and Alcantara feels nice and warm, but again, very sporty. Centre armrest leather wrapped. It is a 4-seater vehicle, so you have all the space in the back for your passengers. Again, in an immaculate condition. If you look at the driver's seat, you just see what I mean. Like, there's very little wear. Whoever's got into this car day in, day out has been very, very careful. They just haven't been a complete animal getting in and out of it. So it is a good car. Because when you're buying a used car, no 2 cars are the same. Some people look after the cars completely different to the next man, if that makes sense. The bodywork is in a beautiful condition, genuinely. Spec, carbon fibre everywhere, from the front to the side, to the wing mirrors, to the back, interior. And then you have the rest, like the Harman Kardon, the better wheels, the adaptive LED icon headlights. The icon headlights are very, very expensive. 37,872 isn't going to hang around for too long. If you like what you see, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.